Nako! Sino ako? Aba, sandali lang, wag ka sumigaw. Hello, Ana. Ano vitamins mo? Para ganyan din ako kasi sabi ni Sara. Hindi pa talaga mo siya. Oh. Eve! Eve! Kamusta ka? Ala, nagkwento na ako kahapon. Bakit ngayon ka lang, Eve? What happened? Ana, kamusta ka? Hindi mo madeds mga linker. Bakit? Lahat sila? Kailangan ko silang i-kill? Kwento mo ulit, sabi. Kwento ko ulit. Sige, ganito total, andyan na kayo. Kwento ko ulit, okay? Kwento ko ulit. Aba, yoho, anong kwento kahapon? Nahuli ako. Kung bakit ako nawala ng matagal. Oh, Angie, kamusta ka na? Ba't nawala ka ng matagal? Nag-stream ka today? Hello, Tin. Kamusta ka, Tintin? Kuya ka lang. Ay, G, ulo, ikaw ang horror ba yan, kuya? Yung ginawa ko dyan, pupunta ko sa akin, tapos nakapila, tapos panay sila. Akala ko, next week pabalik mo ulit. No! Ikaw talaga, ayaw mo na ako pabalikin, ha? Ano bang gagawin ko dito? What will I do in this part? Hello, Tin. Kamusta ka? How are you? What should I do in this part? I don't know, eh. Yo, bilisan mo muna magkwento, mag-i-script din ako. Wait lang! Wag mo akong sinisigawan! Diba? Ninigaw ka! Okay, wala naman na, diba? Oh! Yan. Para ka umutas sa amin tapos sinakbahan mo kami. Hindi! Nag-online ako kagabi, wala ka na. Nag-online ako kagabi, ikaw wala. Hello, Denden! Kamusta ka? How are you, girl? What am I gonna do in this place? 9 liquors. What am I gonna do in this with this liquors? Oh, what is this place? Ay, oo, nalampasan ko na tong lugar na to, di ba? Nag-message ako na para bang di man lang sinin. Kailan? Venus! Oh, there's people out to the 40 viewers that we do have right now. Uy, there's a lot of, zombies there. Baba ka, dun kukunin mo key. This one?
Security threat detected.
Okay, I will go there.
Shutdown in effect. Override authorization required.
Oh, there's a loot here. Here, dito. Sa may mga leakers. Pwede mong ituro sa akin saan ba dito para alam ko? Kaya need mo madaanan yung mga leakers. Saan dito? Saan banda dito? Can you tell me? Ala, nagkwento ko kahapon. Ibang haba kasi ng kwento. Tin, hindi ko nabasa, Tin. I'm so sorry. You know what happened to my, magkukwento ako. Sandali. Saan dito? May need ka i-press na buttons. Can you tell me? Sabi mo kung dito banta. Ito. Ito, dito. Basta! Isa na ako pupunta! Ay, sorry. Ganito nangyari.
This must be the room.
Ang kwento, ba di lang. Ito, kwento ka na. Oh, sandali lang. Wag ka na munang umano. Oh, ayan. Oh, isan ko kukunin. Ayan, hindi naman kayo makatalon agad. Diba? Ulit, pre. Nakita ko nakalinya sila na para bang relief goods.
This must be the room.
Kita mo na parang nanghihingi silang lahat. Oh, pila lang po, ha?
Take out as many of you fuckers as I can.
Pinuntahan ko na lahat. Wala. Wala talaga. Pinuntahan ko na. Saan ko pupulutin yun? Wala. Wala akong makita kung saan dito. Hello, Tep. Kamusta, Tep? Ba't ang galing mo umilag? Di ba? Baka ikaw. Hindi. Ay, hindi! Mali! Thank you for following me, Tep. Salamat na marami. Tapusin mo silang lahat, idol. I need to kill all of them. Is that it?
This must be the room.
Talaga? Talaga? Ayokong magsayang Shien. Di ba kayo watching siya gudumiwas? Nagulat ka, Shien. Alam mo, basta takbuhan ng responsibilidad, magaling to.
I'll take out as many of you fuckers as I can.
Ang dami naman nito. Kasya mo yung naipong kong bala dito? Tatlo pa man ding ng shotgun. Wala talaga. Kita mo yan, Sien? Nasa harap ko na? Saan? Saan ba? Saan nga nasa harap ko na raw kanina ang sabi? Susi ba yun? Susi? Is it a susi? Is it a key? Oh, it's a red button! Saan? Saan? Can you tell me? Where? It's a red button.
I'll take out as many of you
Nasa
fuckers
table.
as I can.
Nasa table. Harap ko na. Wala dito. Red button. Wala rin dito. Up. 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 Okay, ulit. Saan dito ang sinasabi niyang red button?
This must be the room.
May CC, may bago siyang technique. Sa likod ko kanina. Okay, I will check. Ano silbi ng baril? Ave. Kahit bariling ko yung mga yan sa dami niyan. Sandali. Oh, dito likod wala. Dito. Wala rin ditong red button. Wala rin dito. Wait. Wag muna restart, tingin ka muna. Ito na, finish. Ito na. Wala rito, ha? Ayun! Kita ko na! Ito! Kita ko na! Okay. Kita ko na. Okay, let's go.
This must be
Ito,
the
para
room.
mas mabilis tayo.
I'll take out as many of you fuckers as I can.
Baka iwasan mo ni pindot. Ayoko na babawasan. Sandali, ayoko na babawasan. May bawas, ayoko. Sayang ang loot. Ang kuripot sa loot no? Hindi naman namumulot.
I'll take out as many of you fuckers as I can.
Hello, Ian. Wala ka choice, sige. Total, wala tayong choice, sige. Ay, putik ka! Ay, putik ka! Okay. Alam mo yung sinasabi nilang may hangganan ng ano, may may hangganan ng may hangganan ng lahat. Teka lang, kung madededs ako dito, gusto ko sama-sama tayo, guys. Nope. Kayo lang. Naririnig ko sila! Sa likod! Naririnig ko sila! Isang palo na lang ako! Okay, tapos na! Tapos na! Bilis! Saan na? Saan na ako? Dun! Alalala, nabaliw na naman siya! Kelly! Kamusta ka? Teka lang. Okay na, no? Wala na, no? Okay, tara na. Maggamot na tayo, everyone. See you muna ako, Yoho. Silip ulit ako. Mag-i-stream ka na. Iwanan mo na kami. Duda ako sa ganitong lugar. Promise. Duda ako dito.
Security threat detected.
Thank you, Thrifty
Elevator
Trip, for following me.
shutdown
That's so
in
nice of you.
effect. Override key authorization.
Yan. Tagal mo kasi magkwenta. Sige, pag alis mo, magkukwenta na ako. Ayan. Hoy! Wala na! Hoy! Wala naman yan ah! Oh, sandali! Oy! Sandali ka ako! Sandali lang! Uy, may palaka. Wala man lang na deads, yun na yun. Wala man lang na deads. Hindi pa rin umu-open. Kailan o-open yan? Naku. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw mo, Yoho. Joke lang! Hello, Nix. Thank you for following me. Yan. Gusto ko shotgun shot. Sandali lang. Lahat mabibigyan. Sandali nga! Sandali nga! Sino ba yun? Joke! Putik ka! Nabaliw. Nabaliw na naman si Leon, guys. Nababaliw kasi siya. Asan na ako? Nakaalis na ako, no? Here's what I'm gonna do. I think I know what I should do. Yeah, I think I know what I should do. Because I don't have any loot at all. There you go. I knew it. See? I knew it. There's a loot here. I knew it. And there's another loot here as well. See? I knew it. See, nawala sila? I told you! I knew it! I knew it! Sobra likot niya pati. Hit. Oh! Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It's fine, it's fine. Just relax, alright? Hello, Nabinami. How you doing, girl? What's up? Hello to the 86 viewers that we do have. Hala! Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. Salamat na marami. I do appreciate you guys for helping me in this live, you know? Salamat na marami. Yeah, Nabinami is here. I know Nabinami. May mahabol pa rin sa akin. Wala na. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do now.
Security
Bakit may
threat
tumitili pa rin? Hala! Bakit?
in effect. Override key authorization.
Hindi ko pa pinipindot! Pwede naman yata ako lumabas. Ay, pwede! Pwede! Pwede ko tumakbo. Yeah, okay. Hello, Zayax. Kamusta ka? Okay, last na to. Last na ulit na to. Sorry. Hello, kamusta ka? What's your name? Bukas na lang tapusin. Nagalit siya. Okay na. Okay, I will do it. Hello, kamusta ka? How are you? Hello, Nash, my brother. How are you? Hope you guys are doing well. Good evening to all of you guys na bago lang dito. For those people who's just new here right now, you can follow me, like, share the live. You can also repost it if you want. We do have a Blue App page. Just type homie. That's the same profile picture there. And we also have a YT page. Just type homie. It has 3 E's at the end of it. I just posted 4 new videos there. Mostly these are the highlights. The videos that I'm posting here in my TikTok account are just the highlights of the games that we're playing. But in my YouTube, you can watch the entire stream. Alright? Just type homie, just subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Bilisan mo. Hindi nga yan!
Detected.
Yung susi nga!
Shut down.
Takbo! Ay, putik ka! Nakapila na naman sila!
Required.
Nakita mo yung isa na para magtay na dapa. Sorry. Tari dito. Rico. Wait lang. Patay mo! Sayang ang buhay ko. Hello pala ka. Kayo mo 1 day old. Dito. Woohoo! Oh! Okay, ito na. Simula na ng problema. Ilan na natira? Tong ayoko yung nagtitipid sa bala eh. Wala na kasi kung shotgun shells eh. Ilan na lang eh. Ah! Tinamaan pa! Ala! Nabaliw pa! Oh, sandali! Sandali! Sandali nga ni! Hello, Sakura! Hello, hello, hello. Wait lang. Go, go, go. Asan na, asan na? Shucks! Sayang! Ilan na lang yung bala ko. Di pa tumama yung isa. Okay, asan na yun? Asan na yun? Isa ka na lang, diba? You're dead. Oo, kisay-kisay siya, oh! Oh, no. Bawal pa, bawal pa, bawal pa, bawal pa. I think I need to clean them all up. Oh, sandali! Putik na yan, sayang! Okay, we're good, everyone. We're good.
Unavailable. Memory corrupt.
Okay, we're good, everyone. We're good.
Offline.
We're safe now. We're safe now.
Air thermometer warning. Pod lockdown.
Parang may naririnig pa akong nag-aano. Oh! Oh, ano yan?
Yeah. Let's get this over with.
Ay, putik ka! Nabaliw pa! Teka lang. Oh. Sandali. Okay, pasin mo na lang. Mali! Takbo! Putik ka! Paano ulit maghasa nung ano? Paano hasain? Space, no? Tapos... Paano hasain ulit yung ano? Shucks. Nakalimutan ko paano hasain yung ano. Paano hasain yung palakol niya kaya hindi siya namamalakol eh. Oh, naghasa sa harapan! Hello, Sheena. Kamusta ka? Oh, sandali! Nakakainis. Sige, Sige. Sama-sama na lang tayo dito.
This.
Oh, sandali! Nag-suicide siya, Vic. Chachika Pina, hello. Di pa ako nakapag-hi kay Chachika Pina. Hello, Chachika.
The elevator will arrive shortly.
Wala na, no? Okay, I'm good.
The elevator.
Okay, I'm good.
has arrived.
Alright, I'm good. Alright, we're good, everyone. We're safe. Yo, nag-sub na ako. Thank you, Nash, my brother. Salamat. Hello, Samantha. Kamusta ka?
Can't waste any more time here.
Yo, ang kwento, ano na. Ito na nga. Hello, Sheena. Huwag na magalit, sabi. Galit na ngayon. Nako, it will take a lot para magalit ako. Hindi ako basta-basta nagagalit. Basta siguro, ano. Basta... Hello, Nix. Kamusta ka? How you doing? Thank you for following me, Nix. Naiinis lang. Hindi rin. Hirap. Yung totoong inis tsaka galit. Hirap ako yan.
Almost sure.
Ngayon pa lang ako yung nakasub sa'yo. Okay lang, Kelly. Kamusta ka? Kami madali magalit sa window. How are you pala, Eve? Hindi kita natanong. Oh, ayun na. Nabaliw na naman siya talaga. Oh, ayan. Kaka-steroid mo yan. Nag-withdrawal ka, no? Kaka-drug... Ay, sorry. Patulog here? Sino yan? Sino yung matutulog dito? Yung malakas ang loob? Si Jel? Sige, sige, sige! Sige, matulog ka dito talaga. Isusumpa ka lang ni Yoho. Charot. Yung kwento mo daw. So, what happened is this. You were here last time, right? So, when we... Remember when when I tried to... Oh, ano yun? Walang umatake sa akin. Nag-ano ako. Gasoline! No. You will never be late. Don't worry. Grabe. Ano ba namang sinaksak mo sa sarili mo? Saan ako pupunta dito? Kanan, kaliwa. Chachi, thank you for sharing, Chachi. Sa langit. Exy! Kamusta ka, Kai? Kamusta ka? How are you? Tingnan mo na parang nagmumukha na siyang zombie, oh. Tama na kasi. Ibigay mo na sa susunod na henerasyon. Masyado nang malaki yung nawala sa Umbrella Company dahil sa'yo. Tama na. Bigyan mo naman sila ng pagkakataon. Parehas kayo ni Chris. Yan na kayo tumanda. Tapos yan, iwanan mo na yan si Grace. Hayaan mo na mag-transform sa next nemesis yan. Hello, Mikasa. Thank you for sharing the live. Di pa kasi nag-asawa. Uy, may asawa yan. Ano ka ba? Did you forgot na naging sila ni Spencer tapos inagaw lang ni Wesker?
My research opened
They even get married sa, with same,
disaster upon the world.
Australia.
Elvis.
Hello, Leila.
Hope? Or so the myth goes.
Or so the myth goes. Ano daw?
Blind hope.
Late na kayo? Hindi. Dito ka lang.
Humans cannot predict
And
when
it will
death will
come
come for them. This is why they have
This is why
hope.
they have hope.
I was wrong, and I am plagued by guilt. Happiness cannot be achieved at the expense of others.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I think that's enough for today.
Why did you accept my request for an interview? Who is that? Is that one of your subjects?
Hello, Tina. How you doing, girl? What's up?
She was alone in the world. I took her in to make amends.
Is she...
Perfectly normal. Just an average child needing a home. She is my hope. Aren't you beautiful? Would you...
Wait lang sobrang importante nitong part na to. Would you like to hold her? Sino andito happen kayo na ganito? Okay. Kukwenta ka. Huwag ka kwenta, wait lang. Ay, ano to? Ano? Shinotgun kang maging nanay? Pinahawak lang sa'yo tapos sa'yo na?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Grace.
Yun nga. Oo nga, si Grace. Okay. So, inampon siya nito.
You'd like to tell me?
Ni Spencer. Kasi siya yung gumanti-virus, if I'm right.
I only hope it serves
Only hope it serves as a requiem for those who have
for
passed.
those who have passed.
Okay, so technically, normal siya. She's normal. Grace is normal in all aspects.
Leon!
Yeah, she's normal kung ganun. Wala, nabaliw na, oh. May TV! May TV! Ay, sorry.
I need to hurry.
Oh my God, gamit ko na naman si Grace. Hanggang kailan mo ba ako paparusahan dito? Yung sinasabi ko na nakaraan, malalaman mo sa ending. Sige, sige. Siya yung original, siya is original and she is ano rin. Normal kung ganun. Oh. Oh. Uy, binalik na naman ako dun sa ano. Ay, bad trip. Binalik ako dun sa lugar na ano. Sinong streamer yung dalawa ba kilala ko? Na ano? My God, sana my God. My God, ba't tinignan mo yan? Normal lang siyang human, unlike kila Chloe na nag-undergo ng experiment. Yeah, it will serve as a requiem, parang pambawi raw ni Spencer sa lahat naman nangyari, right? Kasi she's the one who created T-virus, if I'm right. Or yung isang virus. Dalawa kasing virus, if I know eh. Am I right? Dalawa yung virus eh. Am I right? Tagal na kasi nung iba, nakalimutan ko na. Kakain na nga muna ako, magsimintayin ko muna si Yahoo magkwenta. Sige, sige. Yun, T-virus, tapos may isa pang virus eh. Kay Birkin. Ay, oh, yun, yung kay Birkin, yung isa. Okay, let's go. Sa tating Sherry, My God, anong gagawin ko dito? Ay, ayan na, okay na. Ala, 20 na lang tayo. Hello to the 20 viewers that we do have. Madilim ba yung stream ko, guys? Parang nadidiliman ako. Madilim? What time ka magkukwento, Yoho? Magkukwento na ako. Barili mo! Hello, Marvs. Ba't ngayon ka lang, Marvs? Hindi naman madilim, Venus. Okay, sige. Hello, Alexander. Welcome back.
Please wake up.
Hello, Villanelle. Kamusta?
Wake up.
Si Kelly yan si Villanelle. Hello, Oxygen. Yung sinasabi kong walang connect si Emily at Grace. Diyan na yung malapit. Sige.
Rest in my eyes.
Ala ka. Magiging ano ka na rin. Magiging Jejemon ka na rin. Ala ka. Kagating ka niyan. Ala. Anong let's do this?
I don't know the password.
Ala ka, tumakas nga kayo. Bumalik kayo, tas ugod-ugod pa yung isa.
It's okay. Soon left it wide open for us. Any wrong code will do. It'll destroy Opus.
Yan ang sasait utak. Oh, sige. Hello, Archie. Welcome back.
Grace, whatever it takes. I can buy you some time.
Dalawang ending nito, hindi ko pwedeng makita parehas.
I have an idea.
Thank you, Kelly. Salamat. Dalawang ending nito.
Not just you.
Pwede ba yung patay silang dalawa, tapos manalo naman yung kalaban? Ay, sorry. Sarap, Kelly.
So, the prodigal
Pwede.
daughter
Okay, good.
I
returns.
know the password.
Fulfill your destiny, and all will be forgiven.
Only if you let Leon live.
Very well.
Sacrifice ka kaya namin yo para safe silang dalawa. Kawawa naman si Yo. Ano ba yung code? Hindi ko nga alam yung itatype ko. Ay, wait, sandali. Ano yung LPs? Sabihin mo muna ako ng LPs. Kasi pinapadestroy yung LPs. Hindi ko pa rin naiintindihan kung ano yung LPs eh. Okay, ano yung virus na LPs? Sandali. Ano yung LPs? Ano yung gagawin ng LPs? is it bagong virus na naman? Is that right? Okay. Virus siya. Pero, okay. Tell me about it. Okay. Virus siya. You know, it's a virus, right? And it was newly created. Is it like an advanced T-virus? Yung ginawa ni Oswald pang atone sa mga ginawa niyang masama. Okay. It's an antidote! Kasi technically, the T-virus don't have an antidote, right? Ang meron lang is pang-suppress lang ng symptoms. Now, So, ang gusto nito ni Wesker, nung anak ni Wesker, destroy the LPs para magstay sa kanila yung superpowers na ganyan. Tama no? O gusto niya i-release yung LPs? Anong gusto ba ni Wesker? Pati si Wesker, hindi niya alam na pag sinaksakan siya niyan, magiging normal siya. Wait, natatawa ako. So, naloko sila ni Spencer. Actually, si Zeno gusto kunin yung LPs thinking he could be more powerful by obtaining it. Kasi he thought that it's a virus as well, right? Hello, Itzy. Hello, mali kasi paniniwala nila. Kulang yung files na nakuha nila kay Spencer. I see. Okay. I destroy! Mali!
Plagued by guilt. I'm gonna destroy Opus. You promise you'll end this.
Mali! Sandali! Cancel! Lumalabas ang angking kasamaan ni Yoho, sorry. Ano sabi? Kulang yung files na nakuha nila. Pero powerful weapon yan. Pag na-release mo, di mo magagawa yung release. Ulitin mo, Archie, pagbibigyan kita. Sorry. Kasi walang talabang ibang virus. Yung ayaw mo, ikit mo na. Cancel mo, sabi. May cancel. Okay lang yon. Mas okay yung release ata ho. Pero yung gusto nyo, kuya, destroy po muna bago good ending. Okay. We can do that one. Anong ending ba kasi gusto mo? Gusto ko yung patay sila lahat. Yun tayo lang ang buhay na nanonood. Pag bad end kasi, pwede mo makita parehas. Okay, sige. So, destroy ko na, bad end. Sige. Sige. Ay, sorry. Totoo si Yonis. Why? Why destroy? Ano na? Sama-sama na tayo.
What did you do?
Destroy nga ni!
What I had to.
Rex, get out of here!
Ala, hindi pa sa ulo tinaga!
Right behind you!
Leon! What are you doing? Come on!
Hello, Marshall. Kamusta ka? Yes, pag good agad, save siya na natapos yung game. So, ito muna. Yan. Hello, Yuri. How you doing? Yan! Suntukin mo! Woo! Wala na siya sa Resident Evil 10. Ay, sorry. That's good to know, Marshall. That's good to know. Hello, Paul. Kaya pala bad ending kayo na chilihan si Sherry. Yan! Anong no? Anong no? Dapat nga ikaw noon. Ay, sorry. Yan! Tama yan! I'm fine, Marshall. Thank you for stopping by here as always, my brother. Yan! Pwedeng tanggalin mo rin yung ulo tulad ng ginagawa niya dun sa mga zombie.
At least I could say.
At least I could save you. May asawa ka na eh. Ah, he's dead! Sabog! Itutok mo na rin kay Grace. Kinasal sila ni nung tatay nito si Wesker sa Australia, same-sex marriage. Kasi naging sila talaga ni Spencer. Tapos sinaksakan siya ng virus para magstay siyang bata. Tapos magstay na siyang bata. Kaya matagal yung spread din ng virus sa kanya dahil nga may sinaksak sa kanya si Spencer. Pero inagaw siya ni Wesker kay Spencer. Tapos nagpakasal sila sa Australia. Same-sex marriage. Yan. Sorry. I really have to.
I wish I could have saved you, Leon.
Yay! Nakamit natin. Okay. Sandali. Ka-continue natin. Huy! Nag-save! Huy! Nag-save! Nakita ako nag-save! You can return to the point in the game just like before. Grace, select the password. Would you like to alter your choice? Yes, I will. Okay, let's go.
Leon!
Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Oh. Wait lang. Sandali. Sandali. Give me a few minutes. Sandali. Yan. Gusto ko yan. Ay, hindi pwede. Hindi ko siya pwedeng batuhan ng Molotov. Yung dito palang I'll kill him na. I can't do it. Sorry. I can't. Gusto ko sana yung magbabato ko ng Molotov dito tas dalawa sila masusunog.
Leon!
Ano ba yan? Mali.
Please know that you are my hope.
She is my hope. A blind hope.
Okay. This is it.
Yan. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari dito. Sa pangalawa. Yan. Gusto niyo makita yung ending? Gusto niyo makita itong ending na to? Type 1. Type O siya gusto makita ending. Gusto makita ending. Oo, type O po. Type oo. Angie, umalis ka. Pangalawa na. Type oo. Okay. Umalis ka pangalawa na to eh. Umalis ka kasi kanina. Okay, okay. Gusto niya raw. Okay, sige, sige. Go, let's go.
Spencer's vision lives through me,
Bakit F?
and I will see that it is brought to fruition.
Mali! Mali na pindot ko! Mali! Mali! If! Mali! 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 Hala! Hala! Wala na! Hala!
And I will see that it is
Hala!
brought to
Hala! Mali!
And how many more will have to die for that vision?
Na-save! Hala! Na-save! Buisit!
It seems your skills have
Buisit!
sacrifices
Patay na muna tayo, baka
must be
sakali.
made. In the grand scheme of things, a few lives.
Mali! Hindi pala if! Mali!
Not to me. I swore that I'd always protect those lives.
Nag-auto-save! Mali! Mali!
Open your eyes. Humanity is full of drooling imbeciles.
Okay. Slowed their game. Wala na. Defeat Victor na eh, oh. Wala na. Wala na. Ang layo na nung ibang save. Wala na. Wala na. Okay. Silang ibig sabihin nito, isang linggo kong pinaghirapan, hindi ko nakita yung ending. Bad trip. Ito. Ay, ito. 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 Yan. Yan. Okay. See? Told you guys. See? See? Si Eve eh. Si Eve, tignan mo sabi ni Eve. Sa red up na lang kami manonood. Ganyan ka. Ganyan ka. Sinisip pa. Joke lang. Biro lang.
This is finally my chance to do something.
Okay na guys. Let's go. Wala. Bawal talaga akong bumaril. Bawal talaga. Even if I want to, I can't. Mag-end na lang yung kwento mo daw. Oo nga pala, ano?
Oh, Leon!
Ito si Angie talaga eh. Hindi ka ba nag-enjoy? Biro lang. Hello, video na. Welcome back.
It's Grace. Please wake up.
Please know that you are my hope.
She is my hope. A blind hope.
Ay, sakto lang. Sakto lang pag-enjoy mo.
Okay.
Sakto lang. Teka lang. Sakto lang daw, sabi ni Angie. Sandali. Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, Angie, oo, hindi lang eh.
This is it.
Teka. Sandali lang. Ito na. Ayan. Nag-enjoy ka, Angie, hindi. Nag-enjoy ka, hindi. Oo, hindi. Nag-enjoy ka, hindi. Ito, ayan, nag-enjoy ka, hindi. Oo, hindi lang. Pag sabihin mong hindi, edi hindi. Ganun, di ba? Oo, hindi. Enjoy ka, hindi. Enjoy. Oo na. Yung bakit may na? Oo lang, ganun. Ganun, ganito, ganito, ganito. Ganito. Tuturo ko sa'yo, ha? Ganito, ganito. Ganyan. Ganyan. Oo. Yan, ganyan. Oo, ganun. Enjoy ka, enjoy. Ganun. Ay, 0-0! Ay, oo lang. Ayaw mo. Ipinagkakait mo sa amin yung oo. Angie. Oo nga. Oo nga lang. Bakit may nga? Ganyan, oh. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Ganyan, ganyan. Oo. Hindi demanding yan. That's just 2 letters. Ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na. No, hindi. Type mo pa rin yung oo na yan. Oh, yan. Okay na guys. Say thanks. Hindi may skip yan. Huwag ka mag-alala.
What are you doing, Grace?
That's it.
Spencer regretted what he did. He.
Done.
You promised.
Yes, that I would let him live.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. This is not. Wait lang ha. This is not. Wait lang. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. I think she's just new here. Oh no, she's not new here. You already followed me. This is not a game. I mean, this is not a movie. This is a game. You already followed me. Wait, let me check if you are.
Sweet mother of...
Tinignan ko yung story mo. Ah, kilala kita! I remember you.
Kennedy.
I remember you. I remember you. Hello. Oh, this is not a movie. This is a game.
Experiencing my power firsthand.
I'm not sure.
I remember you. I remember you. How are you? Kumusta ka?
There's nothing
It's been a long time
special
since
about me.
napadaan ka dito.
I was never any key. Spencer wanted to make.
Yeah,
me
1 dot.
key.
Yeah, I remember you. I remember you.
But you released Elpis.
Hello, Kahi.
What is it?
Nasaktan siya eh. What is it? Oh, malay ko. Ikaw nagsaksak sa sarili mo.
Leon,
What is it now?
Elpis is Spencer's atonement. It's an antiviral.
Sabi ko na, buhay pa to eh.
Amazing. I am humbled by my master's genius.
Your research was wrong. Elpis wasn't a weapon. There was never a key.
Spencer's paper was obviously incomplete. There was no connection between Grace and Emily.
Do you know how much time and money I wasted on this?
Don't you see the genius? With Elpis, all
Sandali lang guys ha.
knowledge
I'm
becomes
watching.
useless. The world order will be thrown into chaos.
We wanted a weapon.
Instead, Spencer gave us anarchy. I will carry his torch and bring his vision to life.
You. You and Spencer were a means to an end.
Yet he outwitted you all.
Spencer defied us and paid the price with his life. He was nothing.
You are nothing but an imitation.
It's over, Victor. The Connections is done with you.
Oh!
We can't let him have it.
Wait, I do have a question. I guess this one is actually open for discussion. 'Di ba sabi, Spencer gave them anarchy. Sa totoo, ang gusto talaga ni Spencer is to atone. To atone, 'di ba? Iba ang pagkakaintindi nito ni Gideon, tama? Masama ang pagkakaintindi na naman nito ni Gideon, no? Parang gusto niya yatang i-monopolize yung ano, yung antivirus. No, kasi if they do have it, then technically they have the power as well. Kasi sabi niya he's really genius, sabi niya. Wherein technically, tapos iba yung ngiti niya, ngisi yung sa kanya eh. Kahit ang gusto naman talaga ni Spencer is to atone, ang inisip nito na naman is parang mamuno kasi they have the anti-V. Delusional, no? Tama Caesar, delusional siya. No, delusional siya. Parang Gino Diyos niya si Spencer. Gino Diyos nito si Spencer. Kahit na iba yung gusto ni Spencer, may sariling pumapasok sa utak nito, no? I see. I got it. Yeah, Caesar, tama. Agreed with you.
Staggering.
It's a cure.
My God, oh. Bangis.
Leon, it's working. Wake up.
Now,
Totoo, Paul, tama.
let it all come down. All of it.
Grace, what happened?
Nakailang ulit kami DM eh. Hello, Nell. You'll never be late here. Always welcome here. Oo, ginawa niya na to, no, Archie. Tama. Ginawa niya na to bago pa siya, madets kay Wesker. Tama.
It's gonna go!
Jiro! What's up, my brother? Ba't ngayon ka lang?
Grab something!
Naka-wheelchair na si Leon pag kami niya sa Resident Evil 10. Ay, grabe! Ang taas nun! Grabe rin yung luck niya eh, no?
Grace!
Pinaiyak na ng Liggers? No. Saglit lang.
Tell me bury Umbrella's last skeleton.
Diba naipaghabulan sa mga zombie? Oh, sandali.
Lives through me.
Yan! Uubusin ko na sa'yo! Hoy! Ay, sandali!
And how many more will have to die for that?
Pwede ka naman magantay, di ba? Uli na nga eh. Kailangan mo pa manggulat. Ubusin ko lahat to sa'yo, kala mo ah. Lahat ng loot ko. Halika dito, unahin natin to. Isa pa. Sakit, di ba? Okay, meron pa. Marami yan, be. Ay, nabaliw! Ay, hindi pa.
I always protect those lives.
Naaning ka? Naaning ka? Hala! 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 Huwag ka na! Huwag ka na magano! Huwag na! Joke lang! Sorry na! Oh, I'm sorry. I do have a lot of meds. Bang! Oh, takbo ka na naman, Pick! Bang! Teka lang, joke lang. Biro 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 lang. Ubusin ko lahat to sa'yo! Lahat! Ay! Ano na?
It's
Hello, Ann. Kamusta ka, Ann? Panis ka, B. Di mo ko kaya, B. Di mo ko kaya, B. Panis ka talaga. Kaya, oriente ka na dyan in your dead, okay? You're dead. Di mo ko kaya. Okay? You're done. That's it. That's it. That's it. Diba? We're done. Good riddance. Yes. We're good. We're good, everyone. We're good. Putik na yan. Bakit may lumabas na kamay? Akala ko okay na. Bakit? Wala na akong bala ng ano. Bakit?
Nemesis.
Bakit?
You're so damn relentless.
Wait lang. Sa tingin ko kaya ko to. Hindi naman abot to nung ano eh. Nung ano ko eh. Nung requiem ko eh. Ay! Mali! 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 Sandali. Ayan, ayan. Yawat! Saan? Saan? Yun. Joke lang! Putik na yan. Yawat. Yun na yun. Ay, ay, ay! Ano yan? Ba't ang dami? Huy! Awat! Umawat ka! Buhay pa! Shucks! Buhay pa! Sandali, 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 sandali. Sandali lang, sandali. Sakit pa eh. Sakit pa, alam ko eh. Sandali! Woohoo! Bus na buhay ko! Shucks, wala na akong pambuhay. Wala na, ubus na, ubus na, ubus na, wala na, tama na. Let's go! Ano nangyari? Buhay pa? Wala na, wala na! Putik na yan! Tapos ako nito! Wala na akong ano, pambuhay! Sakto, naubos ko naman na yung loot ko eh. Sana, deads na. Sana tapos na, sana tapos na. Sana tapos na. Yan. Ayaw mo. Napakaangas talaga. Grabe. Napakabangis. Grabe, Magnum pa rin yung gamit niya. This time, you ain't getting back. This time, you ain't getting back. Apakaangas. Grabe. Solid. Hello, Benedict. Diba? Para bang hindi siya naghingalo kanina.
Sherry.
Grabe,
Sherry,
solid.
come in. Sherry.
Yan si Sherry. Si Sherry yung napangasawa niya, di ba? Tapos nagkaroon sila ng affair ni Ida.
Chris, hang on.
Tapos si Ashley yung fourth party.
Chris. Chris.
Utik na to, naka-lipstick pa rin, no?
Leon.
We need to get you out of here. Come on. Let's get you out.
Matanda na si Sherry. Kasabayan niya si Leon.
There's no way out, is there?
Totoo, Venus. Totoo yan. Hindi Ring of Friendship yun.
Well, I'm not gonna leave your side.
Naalala mo ba yung sinabi niya dun sa may part na at least we are together. At least we are together pag haharapin natin ito. Oh. Sabihin mo yan sa friend mo.
I'm gonna sit right here with you.
Ano mo pinaglalaban mo, pusa? Hello, Shella. Kamusta ka? How you doing, girl? What's up? Basa-basa din sa history niya. Wag na! Gawan na lang natin sila ng sariling storya. Di ba ganyan pagkapit bahay? Hello, Ann. Kamusta, Ann? Hello, Caesar. Pupunta kami sa Laguna. Nakikinig lang mi. Okay, Shelly. Shella, ingat kayo. Shelly tuloy. Ingat kayo. God bless you guys. Don't forget to pray, ha? Ingat. Salamat sa pagdaan mo dito, as always. Si Fireball to, gamit ko account ng ate ko. Sige. Papet sa pusa. Hello, Condor One. How you doing? Ito na naman. Dumating na naman si Chris. Alang corny na to. At corny na dating. Si Chris to.
Depends who's asking.
Alpha, you read it, sir? Yeah, they're safe.
Magla-live tayo bukas.
Yes, sir. Mr. Kennedy. I have a
Tignan mo.
message from
Grabe yun. Ang dami niya pang nilagay sa oh. I have a message for you. Diyos ko. Kakagaling lang nun tao. Ipapadala nyo na naman san. Sino kaya yung nag-eliminate ng BSAA? Yung sa pinakahuli? Di ba nag-eliminate nun ito? Si yung kamukha ni Wesker? Ito yung, this is what you're talking about? Here, right?
I'll be damned. Can't believe that antiviral actually
Oh,
worked.
hindi mo lang sila in-assassinate, Condor, no? Ang laki na hindi mo lang nagbayad yung Umbrella Company para i-assassinate sila. Ang laki na ng gastos
I'm glad you're okay.
We got a dose with your name on it. We'll be back in action in no time.
Oh,
Thank
di ba? Sila talaga mag-asawa.
A lot smoother if Chris hadn't been so late to the party.
Where is
Mag-asawa sila, kaya nga ang apelido,
No idea.
niya ni Sherry
I'm
is
sure I'll run into
Redfield.
him at some point.
Kasi asawa niya si Leon Redfield.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
Ay, no! Leon Kennedy pala!
It's over then.
Hindi kasi nagpakasal sila sa Australia.
Last hope.
Same-sex marriage.
Let's pray Umbrella hasn't left us any more nasty surprises.
I wish we could have saved Emily.
May nagbabasa ng history na sabi ni Vince.
Chris. I didn't hit any of her vitals. She could still be alive.
She could still be alive. Sino?
What are you
Sino?
saying?
Yung nanay niya?
Maybe we can save her.
Sino? Shit, di ko nabasa. Sino raw? Si Emily, patay na si Emily, 'di ba? Na ano nga, nabulag nga yung nagpahirap nga sa akin. 'Di ba sabog nga yung ulo?
The government has confirmed the existence of an actively trading bioweapons lab located here in the ruins of Raccoon City. The
Buhay
market
pa ba?
point for the worldwide spread of bioorganic weapons. This illegal facility appears to have been in operation for decades.
Sources say that the extension of the lockdown and the recent series of mysterious deaths may be related to tragic events in Raccoon City 28 years ago.
Evidence seized in Raccoon City has led the Justice Department
Grabe,
to reopen its
nakakatakot.
investigation into Oswald Spencer and the long-defunct Umbrella Corporation. Some believe the government deliberately drove Umbrella into bankruptcy.
Tamo,
The late Alyssa Ashcroft is credited with cracking the Oswald Spencer story. Conspiracy
yun
theorists
pala.
are already claiming that she was killed in a cover-up.
That's
and
it,
that the
that's it. That's why she
organization
is killed.
responsible is secretly controlling our government.
Tonight, in a
Oh,
speech
okay,
from the
because
Oval
she has
Office,
the, ano, she
the
has
president
the,
is
ano,
expected
the,
to reject allegations of any government involvement since
of
the
any
Raccoon
government
City
involvement
incident.
since the Raccoon City incident. Oh! She's alive! Si Bulag! Ay! Grabe si ano, no? Sheena, grabe si Chris, no? Ang taas niya rin, eh, no? Eh, mga tauhan siya, no? PSAA, tsaka ano. Hello, Samantha. How are you doing? PC? Super busy. Work? Is that you, Obito? Thank you for following me. Salamat. Connection magpapaita, sabi. Sige, sige. School, good luck, good luck. Wag mo daw skip up, di pa natin skip, sabi niya pa eh. Fun fact, Emily and Rose are about the same age during this game. Really? Busy sa school. Personal strike team niya yung Wolf Squad. Mas trusted. Corrupted kasi yung BSAA. Pero, he's on top of it. Tapos ito, si Leon, sa dami ng inano, police pa rin. Ay, hindi. Bioterrorism squad pala siya, no? Hindi pala siya basta police lang. Yes, Nash. Opo, natapos natin art. Kakabalik mo lang. LPG na siya. Mahal na yan.